Hi, I am speaking to you from the top of the bell tower at Christ Church in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, where the Episcopal Church was born. Up here at the top of the bell tower are these bells that were from the same foundry as the Liberty Bell. These are the siblings of the Liberty Bell, and they ring every single week. The bell tower that we are in at this moment was built by Benjamin Franklin. He stood in the place that I am standing this very moment. Now it's going to get very loud. Let's hear the bells. Be just 1 second. Franklin was here. It's great to be an Episcopalian. Bye.